On December 29, 21, authorities were alerted to a distressing situation that quickly captured global attention.
911, emergency. Hello, ma'am?
Help me! Help me, I'm at the Naval Zoo! Help me, please, I'm at the Naval Zoo!
Okay, what's happening?
I'm being attacked by a tiger, please, please, please.
At Florida's Naval Zoo, 26-year-old cleaner Anthony Rosenquist entered a restricted tiger enclosure after hours and was bitten by an 8-year-old Malayan tiger, Echo. He called 911 despite his injury.
Oh my God. Is that real?
Yeah, please! Oh my God! Please help me! Echo! Please help! Please, please, please! Please help
Hey,
me!
you're gonna have to fucking shoot
Please! Oh my God!
that. You got a tranquilizer? No.
I know I'm feeling it! Oh, please! Oh, shit! Oh, shit!
No, wait.
I'm gonna
Shoot, you're gonna have to shoot.
Rosenquist suffered severe arm injuries and was flown to the hospital, where doctors saved his arm from amputation. The tiger, Echo, was shot by a deputy after refusing to release him. Rosenquist faced no charges despite his actions leading to the tiger's death.
I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! I'm
Alright, just keep a light on. Naples 1, Charlie 10, shots fired.
Come here, bud. Come here.
Alright, yeah, I know. Right here.
I'm gonna take my
tourniquet on you? Hey, I need a light. Jake, I need a light. Right here. Yeah. Jake. Here.
Shine it on me.
Jake, come and grab him. Here's the tourniquet, bro.
Come and grab him. Here.
Where's the arm?
No, just grab him and flip him over. You're okay. We got you.
Yep, notify the field lieutenant. Get a tourniquet on that arm. Have him respond. I need the light, dude. And then, yep, now we're good. We're good. It's on. Yep. One, two, three. Jesus Christ.
On March 29, 23, Tampa police responded to a 9-foot alligator near Raymond James Stadium. When an officer approached with a baton, the gator hissed and whipped its tail.
He's getting there. I know, buddy.
Other officers arrived, using a rope to secure a noose around the alligator's mouth, working together to manage the situation.
Let me see that rope. Yeah, pull him out a little bit. Huh? Yeah, I'm gonna take the head. Good job, Luke. I'm proud of you. Just keep the weight on him.
4 officers restrained the alligator by sitting on its back, while others taped its mouth and legs and covered its eyes with a towel. Once subdued, the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission arrived to relocate it.
You're fine the way you got it. I just need tape.
It's gonna be alright.
I just need something to cover his eyes so he chills out. Just cover his head, like behind his nose, like where my left hand's at. I got his mouth. Just go underneath the rope, like right here is where you want to get at. It's hot. Alright, break that off. Let's go around a couple more times.
In June 21, Pendleton, Oregon, officers responded to a 911 call about a 200-pet chimpanzee attacking its owners.
911, where is your emergency?
My pet chimpanzee has attacked my daughter. She is bleeding profusely, and the animal has to be shot. It has attacked my 50-year-old daughter. She needs an ambulance. The ambulance cannot get to her. I've locked myself in the basement with her. I can't get out to get my own gun.
Okay.
She's on the patio. You're going to have to do a headshot.
We're sending a deputy right now. Hang on one second, okay? I'm typing this
Send
up
more
right
than
now.
one because they...
Seriously injuring the 50-year-old daughter, they quickly secured the scene and ensured she received medical attention.
All right, I'm gonna try to get in for a shot. Hey, is there somebody there? Okay, are you safe?
I need you to shoot him.
Okay.
Do a headshot.
3242. Shots fired. We need the ambulance in immediately.
After the attack, Tamara Brutality and her daughter were hospitalized, with the chimp fatally shot by officers. PETA criticized Tamara for keeping the chimp as a pet, and it's unclear how she obtained it, as Oregon law bans exotic pets without a license. On July 10, 24, in Boynton Beach, Florida, a resident called about a large alligator outside their door. Officer Alfredo Vargas responded and chose to handle the situation himself instead of waiting for a trapper.
Do me a favor, hold this. Let's see if I can do this. All right.
But I'd rather just see what you're doing there.
How does this work?
1236, I'm 10 7.
Not buddy, come on. Just want to get him to turn.
Turn around.
God damn it.
Break it or is he breaking it? Oh, yeah.
Nah, he's just slipping it off.
Slipping off. Pull him out a little bit. You go to the pole this way.
With his alligator handling training, Officer Alfredo Vargas successfully subdued the gator, placed it in his patrol car, and released it safely into a canal, preventing it from being killed.
You don't have the tape on you? No. All right, somebody go.
Somebody got.
I have duct tape in my car.
Okay,
where's it at?
Yeah.
It's in the trunk. In the trunk in my basket.
There's an
There's a
extra
basket in
12 party.
there.
Alright, no problem.
That'll be good for now, just until we get the tape. We'll just tape it up. Tape them up. Yeah, I got tape in the car.
On September 18, 23, officers in La Crosse, Wisconsin, responded to reports of a loose pit bull causing panic. When they arrived, they found the dog on a van hood, showing aggression as they tried to secure it, leading to an unexpected turn of events.
This is why I called you guys and nobody did nothing.
This is your dog, right? Why are you blaming us for your dog?
Stop, stay there. Stop. Hey, come over this way. Yeah, go walk down.
Atlas. Atlas. Come here, baby. Atlas, come here. They're gonna sit there like retard.
Okay.
Are you going to be cooperative at all or no?
I'm trying, but I can't.
We got the dog on a leash.
Put it around me. Come on, now. I'm scared. Guys, I'm on the other end.
The pit bull bit an officer on the arm, requiring stitches. Earlier, the dog had escaped its owner's home and already displayed aggression toward people in the neighborhood.
Come here, Mommy. Come here.
Enough. I don't.
I'm emergent for now. Are you good? Negative.
It's down to the bone.
Where are first responders?
They're right there.
Could she just walk it home? Could she? If
She doesn't want to take it home. She's gonna get.
Okay, there we go.
Please come left.
The pit bull, recommended for euthanasia a year earlier due to aggression, was put down after injuring several people, including an officer who required hospitalization.
He bust through my backyard fence. I didn't let him out. He didn't just get loose. He bust through a 6-foot privacy fence, and I'm over there mixing up Benadryl and dog food because I had to come out my bedroom window. I didn't have the keys or anything getting any other door, so I was mixing it.
A lot of Benadryl. It was over a whole pack of Benadryls. She gave him puppy chow and steaks from the bar. She fed him literally right outside the back door, and as soon as it started to hit him, that dog went ape shit. He started jumping up on the front door. Anybody that was coming by, he started going after it. I tried to put him on a leash to get him into a fenced yard for you guys. That did not go well for me.
Paul, you just want to grab the stretcher now? Help out.
Whichever way we go. I'll send first.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you never miss an update.